So this is our room tour of a king hot tub room, partial ocean view. So walking in, door on the right is storage, big mirror. Oh, 2 dressing gowns. Ironing board, laundry bag, and bag holder hamper thing. Yes. Okay, so next across the hall is the bathroom with light switch here, and oh, there's 2 lights, one there and one in there. Big mirror. We get shampoo, conditioner, hand and body lotion, body bar, and oatmeal bar. What's the breakfast in here?
Oatmeal bar, oh my goodness, that's
What's an oatmeal bar?
amazing. It's a exfoliator.
Oh, okay. And we're just opening this quickly. All recycled stuff apparently, as in the packaging.
Oh, it's all powdery.
Oh, this will be the, yep, hairdryer, good. Towel. Oh my days, look! They gave you an actual bath mat for grip. Shower. Yeah, standard. Okay.
What's in here?
Oh, there's more things in here. Secrets. So we have a cleansing and makeup remover, towelette, earbuds,
That's the same.
and another face cleaner, in case both of us wear makeup. Look at this. Look at this face. Do I wear makeup? No. Okay. Bye. On with the tour. Light switch. Now, turns that light on and off. So straight in. Here's the bed. Big king. Is there under storage? No. Is it comfy? Oh, it's firm. Yes. It's a firm bed. Let's continue on. So, sticking with the bed, there are no bedside tables. There's a clock on one side and a spare plug there. There's, okay, so light switch 1 turns that on and off. Light switch 2, oh, turns that light on and off. We have a thermostat here for the fireplace, which we'll get to. Big mirror above the bed, and a switch here which operates this, and a slider to dim this. I like it. Working our way around the bed, there is no plugs on this side, which isn't good because this is my side. Crap. Oh, there we go. Just doesn't dim very well, it just turns off when you dim it. Sorry, I realised the camera's not pointing at it. Light switch, same principle as the other side. Chair. Okay, we've got a lamp. Here is the fireplace. Caution, very hot when in use. Okay, what is this? Fireplace fan. Oh, so that blows the hot air into the room. I like it. Okay. Okay, staying inside for now. We then have a ceiling fan, which does work. Is it turning off? I think that's it slowing down possibly. We'll come back to that and see if it does. Along this wall we've got a big TV. I mean big TV. With, there's the plugs there. Kind of have access to it. Let's check the other side. No access on this side. Oh, hold on. Oh. Oh, okay. Ah. Now that I did not expect. What about you, Daniella?
Oh, wow.
So, there definitely is access if you need it. Unfortunately, you can't turn it around enough to be able to see it from outside. But let's put the TV back. Putting it back. We'll come back to that. I need both hands for that. So underneath the TV, we have, oh, there's the drawer bit there. 1, 2, 3, and 4 drawers, which are all slow closing, anti-slam. We have the table here and phone and chairs. We have a sink in the room, which I quite like. It's a nice change. Usual tea and coffee making facilities. Ice bucket, glasses. And under the sink we have a bin. Oh, and kitchen roll. Wow, that's nice. And this side, oh, opens this side, is a fridge, which is bigger than the usual fridges that we've been having. So, last thing is outside. So there is big shutters, which I will close again. I'll close one side of them. So you can close for privacy and for nighttime. And I'm guessing this switch turns on a light out there. Well, it's daytime, we're not going to be able to see. So let's open this again. Open it to there. And open. Oh, okay. Mosquito net, I like it. That's good. Now remember, this is a partial ocean view. So here is the street. And there is the ocean, which you can see from the hot tub, which actually has a hanging hook. Yay! For our dressing gowns. There's controls for it over there. That's a sign, I don't know if you can read it, it says turn it off spa on that box. Here is instructions on how to use the hot tub. There is a table and 2 chairs and enough teasing. Here is the hot tub itself, which is on. Controls are here. Jets. Okay. And off. So I think that's as much of a room tour as you need. There's a few things to note. So Daniella, where's the paperwork that we got? There. Okay, so with this hotel, what you get is room service delivered to you for your breakfast every morning. That's how it works.
For free.
For free. Well, you get $8 each in credit. You tick what you want, put it out on your door by 10 p.m. and they bring it to you in the morning. So pretty good. If you can go over it, and if you go over your $8 each, it gets put on the room. You just pay that at the end. So that's our room tour. We'll see you at the next one. Good morning, world. We have just had our breakfast delivered in an adorable little basket. I'm going to bring this out to Daniella, who's out on the balcony enjoying the sun.
What is that? Our breakfast?
Yeah, that's our breakfast. Okay, so coffee is coming out. Feel that? The muffin's still hot. Okay, so you're going to put each thing down and show them it.
Yeah, well, there's my granola. That's an easy one because it's wrapped and that can go down. Granola. I got yogurt somewhere too to go with my granola.
There's granola.
There's our cutlery. There's your cutlery.
This is
must be the bagel.
That's the bagel. So I'm going to pull all these bits out.
With Philly, real Philly.
Oh.
Philly.
There's the bagel. It can go in there. I'm going to take this as an extra napkin. Okay, next up is my honey nut Cheerios. Here, move that around like that. There. and the milk to go with it.
How are you supposed to know it's milk? Looks.
The fact that it looks like milk.
I know, but then this is yogurt, yeah?
No, that's not the yogurt.
I get yogurt.
No,
Oh.
This
Oh,
is...
so you got a glass of milk and...
That is the orange juice, and here is your fruit plate, and your yogurt for the fruit plate. Then we have our muffin,
My
which
muffin.
is still warm. We have my coffee mug with bits and pieces in it.
I'm having that vanilla stuff in my tea. I've already done it. Where's my tea?
Coffee pot. Daniella's tea, which did not come. That was already there.